Just doing a breakfast torture test with this Jackery 1500. So I got my my little electric hot plate here. Going to cook some scrambled eggs in that. I got just a little blender. This is like a mini blender. It doesn't use a whole lot of power, but still, you know, I'll make a little smoothie here. And then I also got my my oatmeal that will go into the microwave, right? So I thought, you know, ideally you'd probably just, you know, do one of these, you know, one at a time. But yeah, let's just see what happens if we can just have kind of, you know, all three of them going, you know, at the same time with this Jackery 1500. So yeah, so first let's just fire this thing up. Turn this on. I'll just turn that all the way on high. And yeah, the fans come on already with this 1500, and you know that's kind of been it's basically my biggest complaint with this unit. You know, the new Pro models are much quieter, but yeah, you know, it still does the job. So we're getting 700, a little over 700 watts pulling out of it right now, just to, you know, get these eggs cooking. So yeah, let's just grab the oatmeal. All right, oatmeal's in. Still rocking at 700 some watts. So let's just fire this up. Oatmeal's in there cooking. Let's see what we're at here. 19. Oh, just about 2,000. Just about 2,000. So let's yeah, let's just fire this up. That thing still runs. Obviously, I can't do all this with one hand to see, you know, how much it doesn't. That little blender doesn't pull a lot, but still, the fact that you know, the fact that it still goes, the fact that it still goes. So so yeah, the oatmeal's cooking, eggs are cooking, and you know, I don't want to wait around, so just, you know, get the smoothie going at the same time, right? I got the 1500, I got the Jackery 1500. Why not, right? All right, so that's it. The eggs are all done. And let's see what we got. 72% still. So, you know, not bad. Basically a pretty easy job for this thing, right? Just make a nice meal and and still got a lot of power left, right? So yeah, just a quick breakfast torture test. Hopefully you just kind of found this interesting or entertaining. And yeah, thanks for watching.